Hi, and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking with a wonderful local family, and their names are...
Kashvika.
Beautiful. And can I ask you, how old are you?
8.
8 years old. Fantastic. And we also have... Wonderful. And I won't be asking her age today, just to let you know. Today we're going to be cooking a very versatile recipe of fritters. Today they're going to be corn, but you can also add anything you want into them. But before we start cooking, what I want to go through is some safety skills and safety things in the kitchen that we need to know. So first of all, when we're using a cutting board, what I really would like you to do at home, just so it's really safe for our little ones, is make sure you get a damp tea towel. Can you feel that? See how it's a little bit wet?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're going to pop it down, and what that's going to do is going to stop our cutting board from sliding around the place. Especially if we're using sharp knives, we don't want to hurt ourselves and we want to keep out all our fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah. What we're also going to be using is kid-friendly knives. So this one we have here is a handle for smaller hands to be able to grab, and it's also not as sharp, so we will be protecting our fingers. We have a hot pan that we will be cooking the fritters in. Make sure the handle is facing away from the body. You'd hate to knock it and hurt ourselves with this oil. And we also have a nice clean workspace. Everyone hands up. We washed our hands before we started, so now we are ready to start cooking. Okay, off to the lovely Pav to start on our fritters. Nice. And so just to let you know, we're using the curry powder. You could also use whatever spices you like in this. You could use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, just plain cumin, whatever you like, you can pop into this recipe.
It already smells nice.
Oh my gosh, fantastic, I love it. Okay, now that's the chickpea flour. All right, so pop some salt in. Yep. All right, gotta squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, can hear it cracking. Keep going. Maybe all three of us need to help. 1, 2, 3. Done. Yeah. All right, now look, and then we'll scrape all of that.
We need the muscle power of station.
There we go. So tell me now, when you're making this batter, it's best to add a little bit of water as you go, isn't it?
Yeah. So that we know the consistency is right.
Beautiful. What I might do is I'll let you finish off that and do some more mixing, and I might still Kashri and we'll start on our rider dip. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. All right, so what we've got here, can you tell me, what are we going to be using here? What's this?
Cucumber.
Beautiful. And we have some sweet chili sauce, some plain natural yogurt, some coriander, mint, and a very big lemon. Okay, so what I get you to do is, can you grab this teaspoon and scoop all of that yogurt into the bowl for me? Yep, just scoop it in. Beautiful. So next what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting our cucumber. So, kid-safe knife, kid-safe hands. That's what we want to go for. So, can I get you to pick up the knife for me? Wonderful. And with this hand, do a little bit of a bear grip for me. Wonderful. So what we'll do is, can you hold that now and cut straight down the center for me? Wonderful. Good job. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut some little bits for you, and then I'll get you to cut them all up. So I'm just ripping up the coriander and the mint to go into the raita. Here we go. Grab the knife and just slide it in. Good job. Want to start stirring? Awesome. Now there is one ingredient that I forgot. Our lemon. Let's pop it in now. Oh, look at that. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You ever made homemade lemonade?
Yeah.
You have? That's good. All right. Oh, wow, look how juicy it is. I'm going to tip that in. Beautiful, mix it all up. And that's literally our sauce, our dipping sauce is done. Well done, chef. All right, let's have a look at these fritters. They look fantastic. So how long am I going to be cooking them each side, do you think? So is that until you can see a bit of brown around the outside? Okay, nice. All right, I reckon we might start plating some of them up. What do you think? Let's pop them on here
Yeah.
and we'll drain some of that. Yeah, beautiful. Wonderful. Now that we have that in, first thing I'm going to do, can you do it for me? Let's turn it off. So let's flick it all the way back up to this top. Yep, keep going. Boom, our pan is now off. When I say eat with your eyes, it means you want to make it look nice. Because presentation. So what we're going to do, you ready? Let's smear it down a little bit. Okay, we've washed our hands earlier, so do you want to grab some of those and let's layer them down. So I'll start with the first one. Let's pop one there. You want to pop one right next to it? Beautiful. Wonderful. And there you go. We have made a wonderful dish of raita and some corn fritters. Thank you. Oh.
Hi, my name's Jane.
Hi, I'm Nadira. I'm the dietitian of this program, and we are here today to have a chat on healthy eating tips for families.
So leftovers, how can we get creative with our leftovers?
So there are so many ways you can get creative. For example, you can use your roast meat and vegetable into sandwiches. So what's your favorite way?
The frittata, we have
Amazing.
family favourite and fantastic that it's egg based. We get that protein in, we chuck in.
Amazing.
Our tomatoes are about to go rotten
Yep.
and
Yep.
broccoli and feta and cheese, whatever's around.
Sounds
it's great.
yummy.